Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect an external monitor with your iPhone 15 Pro or any other iPhone from the 15 lineup. So let's begin the video. First of all, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and enable notification because this motivates me a lot to make more useful content like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect an external monitor with your iPhone because it is very useful. Like if you're going to make YouTube videos with your iPhone, then you can connect an external monitor and see yourself pretty clearly, which I use often. Other than that, you can use your iPhone on a big display to read articles or other YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you different methods, the cheap one and the expensive one. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. For this, you're going to need the following things: an HDMI to HDMI cable, an HDMI to Type-C converter, and lastly your iPhone from the iPhone 15 series lineup because it has a USB Type-C port. For the converter, I am using this cheap converter available online. Basically, it takes an HDMI input and the other end connects to the Type-C port of your iPhone. So basically, you're going to connect one end of the HDMI cable that is connected to your monitor, and the other end will be connected to this converter. And in the market, you can also buy an HDMI to Type-C cable directly, or you can use this converter if you already have a HDMI to HDMI cable. Other than that, these HDMI converters come in different prices and quality, so the better one you have, the more smoother video playback you're going to see in the external display. So this is the cheap one, and if you have any Ugreen dongle lying around like this one, it also has an HDMI port and a Type-C port. You can use this as well with your iPhone. I have tested it. And also Apple sells an USB Type-C to HDMI converter, which you can also use, but it is expensive, and I have this cheap one lying around and it is doing my job pretty well. So in order to connect it, just unlock your iPhone and on the bottom just plug it in, and once it is plugged in, you're going to see a animation on the dynamic island of your iPhone. Once you see the animation, all you need to do is to power on the external monitor, and the screen from your iPhone should be mirrored on the external monitor. Here you can see my iPhone screen is now mirrored on the external monitor, and if I move it, it's going to show the same on the external monitor. For example, if I open the camera app, it's going to show it right here. If I go to videos and then if I move into landscape mode, the screen is also going to show in landscape mode, and this is useful when you're making YouTube videos alone and you can monitor yourself in a larger screen. So yeah, this is how you can do it. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.